Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We're here sa Alabang Town Center at we are here sa pinakamalaking altitude store in Alabang Town Center. Landmark ito yung Toby's Arena. Check it out, yo. Ito yung separate sa mall sa labas So, ang ganda ng altitude store lang po. Altitude store in Alabang Town Center. Meron ng photo op for the grand opening. At mag-tour tayo sa loob. Tour ko kayo at check natin kung ano ba yung mga brands na meron dito. Pasok tayo. Alright, video vlog check. We're now inside the altitude store in Alabang Town Center. Start na tayo ng ating tour. Habang di pa nagre-ribbon cutting para walang tao. Hindi masyado maraming tao. I think this is the last store na i-open nila. So, and here we go. We're now shooting here. Check it out, yo. They have the EcoFlow cart at yung upuan na talagang gustong-gusto ko. Meron sa dito. Also, they have brands like the Shocks, itong pang outdoor, pang sports na earbuds. Yan, waterproof yan. At also, they are offering a free charging using the EcoFlow river. Ayan. Para ma-test out nyo na rin din. So, ang laki na store nila. At syempre, pagpasok mo, Power Solutions, they have a lot of EcoFlow products. Kita ko na naman yung aircon tsaka yung refrigerator na portable. Syempre, yung mga portable power stations, mga portable stations na talagang kayang-kayang bitbitin. Ayan, meron sila. Power banks, gun chargers, solar panels, yung trail. Yung bagong trail na worth, I think, 12 to 15,000. Jaber projectors, still here. Ayan, si Ted Cloud may ganyan. Paganda ito yung tsura niyan. Ito yung tsura niyan. Ayan. Ganda. At here they have the books. Pang e-book reading. Ayan. Si Aldrich, Shopping Sensei. Ayan, Shopping Sensei. Insta360, syempre, no? Syempre, ang bago natin ngayon. Ito yung itsura ng Insta360 Air. Air ba to? Mag-blessing na tayo. Sige, cut ko muna to at balikan ko kayo for our quick tour. Nagbe-blessing na. Alright. Let's do this. Ayan. Ganda dito. Para ako nasa candy store. The work of the father was known as the carpenter's son. Amen. Amen. Okay, the ribbon cutting is nag-end na. So we're back here for the walkthrough inside the altitude store Alabang Town Center. Tuloy na natin to. So, kanina galing tayo sa Insta360 and we saw the ito yung X4 Air, I think so. Kasi meron na dito X4 Air Maliit siya, no? Maliit siya. Ito yung X5 So ayan. Ito yung Go Ultra, ayan. Let's go here. They have here the DJI area. Wala pa yung DJI Neo 2 pero meron sila dito, magkakaroon sila. And this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro, ayan. On the side is the Insta360 X5, X5, X4, Go Flow, Flow 2, Ace Pro 2, tsaka Go 3S. Yan. Tsaka yung mga Instax, Camp Snaps, books, meron sila dito. Side, it's the accessories ng Insta360. Ganda, nakaglas na sila. At mga films at outdoor camping light. This is very interesting. Ganda ng EcoFlow na ng power bank. Gusto ko yan. I think this area, it's the parang siguro socializing area. Ayan. Everyone is here checking out the items and also may matubig sila. Ayan. Thank you. Reload bag na kagad tayo. Ayan. They have here a sample of Raptor. Sana all si Aldrich may Raptor Pa-sponsor din tayo kay Altitude Raptor casing. Mukhang kailangan ko na to for my trips. Ayan, waterproof yan kahit ma-super typhoon kayo, hindi papasokan ng tubig yung loob niyan. Kailangan lang airtight lang talaga. And here they have the brand new Raptor backpack. Napakaganda tong Raptor backpack. I like it. Gusto ko niyan. Dalawang klase, mayroong Roam tsaka mayroong Scout. Yung Scout yung medyo maliit. So yung Roam medyo malaki. Ganda. Tsaka water parang splash proof. More Raptor stuff. Here's one of the bags ng Wonder. This is Wonder. Yes, yung Wonder. Ganda nito, grabe. One of the most beautiful bag that I've seen. Splash proof na rin din. It's also a camera bag. Ay, thank you. Bigay sila ng snacks. Wonder. Ayan. May organizer sila for cameras and batteries. Ito, mga dami lang tong mga to. For example, you can put it in here. Check it out. Yeah. Raptor casings, meron sila tumblers, mga coolers, saka casing din, containers. Dito naman yung mga wondered backpack, sling bag, at mga mini case. Meron pa sila mga ganito, no, for SD cards. Ito naman pang laptop. Ayan. Wondered. Also they have the mga Rincon. Ayan, Rincon. They have more Rincon here, tsaka yung Claude AI. For recording your conversation, meetings, at i-auto-transcribe niya via AI. They have here a Sunto na sports earbuds na wireless na may tubig. Sa side is they have the Garmin, Rincon, Claude, Shocks. So that's it. Si Earl gumagana na yung kanyang DJI gimbal.
Yes, hi DJI.
Uy, may vlogger, naka-gimbal. Uy, anong phone yan? Realme. Realme vlogger ka pala eh. Kala ko Oppo.
Kasi disrupt.
Oppo! Loko to. Yung mga trip-trip namin. Mga biruan namin. Hindi ba si Malupitan eh? Bossing! Bossing! Gusta? Ikaw makasama Palawan eh.
Ito ba?
Ha?
Ito ba?
Alin?
Makasama?
Hindi ako makasama. O di ka nagbabasa ng GC. At si Josie Rano is in here. At meron siyang drone na bago. Ayan si Josie Rano. DJI Neo 2. Ganda in the flesh. Grabe, sana all. DJI ambassador ako.
DJI.
Ayan si Josie Rano. Grabe. Oh. Si Altitude Ambassador, lahat ng brands. Ambassador siya. DJI, Insta, Raptor, lahat. Saan ka pa? Wala kayo kay Josie Rano.
And it's nice to have a ringtone of DJI ambassador.
Ayan.
Pero why not have an ambassador for a lot of brands?
Yan, di ba? Fujifilm pa. May Camsnap din yan.
Sabi na
Summit Creative, wala yan dito. Yan, maganda kay Josie Rano.
Ito yung pagod yung branch.
Pag ginagawa natin, paliparin na natin to.
Pwede. We can do it now if you like.
Pwede ba dyan sa labas? Nakakatakot.
Sa labas,
May mga bantay na guard eh. Oh.
Iabangan kami
May obstacle avoidance yan. It won't crash.
Kaso nga lang, sa mall, alam mo naman yung policy sa mall. So, ayan, balikan ko kayo dyan. At i-end na natin tong video. They have celebrity guests here. Ayan, sila Ella, saka si Julian. So, I'll end na my video here kasi aalis na rin kagad ako. May appointment ako sa Soler. But if you are here in Alabang Town Center, they call it town. Hindi pala ATC, hindi Alabang Town Center. Mga taga-Alabang, they call it town. Let's go to town. Pag sinabi, let's go to town, yun yung term nila for this mall. Pero tayong mga hindi taga-Alabang, tawag natin Alabang Town Center. Town Center, Alabang Town, or ATC. So, sa mga taga dito, they call it town. Sa ating outsiders, ATC. So, visit Altitude Store here sa town, near Tobis at JB Sports, yan. So, mga sports area dito, at saka may neutral grounds, at saka may mga toy store din dito. Check it out. I'll end on my video. Tapos na tayo. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog. Next content ko yung DJI Neo ni Josie Rano. Let's check it out, y'all.